disconnected.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're going to go down through here and check out an old abandoned trail. I'm sure this trail hadn't been ridden in 20 or 30 years, I bet. I mean, it's an old dirt bike ATV trail, and I'm going to go check it out. I think it just washed out so bad nobody goes through it, but I think I can. So we're going to go down and see if I can find it and go check it out, because it'll be something that everybody don't see because nobody's recording it. Back in those days, we actually didn't have all the stuff we do now. We don't have, not very many people had. It wasn't moto vlogging and GoPros and the Sena communication stuff like I got here and all that. There wasn't all that. So it would have been nice to have been able to record our riding back that, 30 years ago, but we didn't. So anyway, I'm gonna go look at one of them old trails. It's probably washed out so bad I can't even get through it, but it'll make a good video of an old abandoned forest trail. We're gonna cross this creek and wash our tires. One good thing about those clean water creeks around here, you go get muddy. Now if you are like I used to, and we'd fly through there about 70, you hit those, and of course it didn't wash much of your bike going that fast because you just split the water and it all splashed to both sides and didn't do much. But if you go slower, it'll wash your tires off anyway. We're going to do a little bit of crossing creeks to get there, and then we'll get to where nobody rides. And then we'll probably start going up a big hill that's pretty treacherous rocks, actually. I mean, I'm sure on the camera it won't look like it, as usual, but it is. Which is kind of dumb to do some of that when you're by yourself, but I'm pretty careful. So we'll just have to see. Ain't gonna be too far down here. Looks like it washed out here a little bit. No, not too bad. Not too bad. I swear trails are different every time I come down here. Look at them tadpoles. There is a bunch of them in that little mud hole right there. And deer tracks. It looks deep. It's kind of deep. There it is right there. For a little bit, anyway. Not for very far. I don't know if I can go around through there or not. That's a pretty deep hole right there. So I gotta stay to the left, or that would be too deep. I really don't want an air box full of water. Heck, this sucker's washed out. Big time. Probably just had those rocks across there because it's washed out and you go around them, I guess. Sometimes you go up them and they get less and less traveled as you go, and you kind of figure out that, well, maybe it don't go on, but I don't know. Old pond. Well, I'm saying I'm nearing the end of the trail or something here because I'm not seeing no traffic signs here. So you shut it off and listen. Then you hope your bike starts back. This is an old abandoned trail, that's what it is. And it's rough. Really rough. My goodness, it's one hell of a, sorry, one heck of a hill climb here. Now on the camera I know it looks flat, but it ain't. Gee whiz. But it is an old abandoned forest trail. Because I can tell you by the weeds, water holes, the way the rocks are, nobody's been up this in a long, long time. A long time. That testing out that AXP plastic skid plate right there. Banging these rocks. I bought them pretty hard right there. Yeah, I'm probably breathing heavy too. Pretty warm out here too, and it's 85 degrees. It's pretty warm out here in these woods because there's no air movement. As you can see by the leaves, there's not a breeze to be found. I have to get Blake and actually come through here, and that way I have somebody with me and go all the way, find out where it goes. I think I know, but it's been so many years. I've been 25 years since I've been back in here, and it looks like it's been that long since anybody's been here in here. I don't think I'm at the bottom yet. Nope. Goodness gracious. What a hill. It's definitely a long trail. Sometimes it's easier on these trails, especially if you're on a dirt bike or dual sport, to get yourself down in that rut and ride in the rut. Now, sometimes it might be hard to get out of the rut, but get down in that rut, and at least your bike will stay in the rut usually. Well, guys, looks like that's the end of that. Please click the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more CRF250L videos. I got some other videos coming up. I'm planning on getting an actual motorcycle dash cam that does hopefully front and rear for this thing. So probably doing an install of that. But Oh, I'm sure lots of other things. And don't forget, I can't say this enough, you'll click this video off, but you won't click the thumbs up. Click the thumbs up. And if you can't click it, well, it's because you're not subscribed and logged into YouTube. Sign up and log in so you can do that, because it does help people out. Mainly me. Catch y'all in the next one. Right on.